A dash mat, also referred to as a dashboard cover, is a protective accessory designed to shield the dashboard of a vehicle from various potential damages. It is typically made of durable materials such as polyester, nylon, or velour fabric. The cover is custom fit or universal fit to accommodate different vehicle models and contours. The primary purpose of a dash mat is to provide protection and preservation for the dashboard. Here are some of its key benefits. Sun protection. Dash mats act as a barrier against direct sunlight, shielding the dashboard from harmful UV rays. Prolonged sun exposure can cause the dashboard to fade, crack, or develop unsightly blemishes. A dash mat helps prevent these issues, preserving the appearance and value of the vehicle's interior. Heat reflection. Dash mats are often designed with heat reflective properties, helping to reduce the temperature inside the vehicle's cabin. By reflecting the sun's rays, a dash mat can help keep the dashboard and surrounding areas cooler, making the car more comfortable, especially during hot weather conditions. Dust and debris prevention. Dash mats provide a protective layer that helps prevent dust, dirt, and debris from accumulating on the dashboard. This reduces the need for frequent cleaning and minimizes the risk of scratches or damage caused by abrasive particles. Enhanced appearance. In addition to protection, dash mats can also improve the aesthetic appeal of the vehicle's interior. They come in various colors, patterns, and textures, allowing car owners to choose a style that complements their personal taste and the overall design of the car's interior. Easy installation and removal. Dash mats are typically designed for easy installation without the need for tools or modifications to the dashboard. They are often secured in place using adhesive strips, Velcro, or non-slip backing. This makes it convenient to install, remove, and clean the dash mat when necessary. When choosing a dash mat, it is important to consider the compatibility with your vehicle's make and model. Some dash mats are custom fit, providing a precise fit for specific vehicles, while others are designed to be universal fit and can be adjusted to fit different dashboard shapes and sizes.